Ever wondered what stablecoins are and why they are important? Let's dive into it. Picture a cryptocurrency that's like a calm sea, not the stormy waters of Bitcoin's rapid rises and falls. That's a stablecoin, a type of cryptocurrency that aims to stay steady in the tumultuous sea of crypto markets. Unlike the high volatility we often see with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, stablecoins are designed to keep their market value stable. But how do they achieve this stability, you might ask? Well, they are tethered or pegged to a reserve of value. This could be a fiat currency like the US dollar, the euro, or a commodity like gold. This tethering acts as an anchor, keeping the stablecoin's value from being tossed about by the market's winds. So stablecoins strive to combine the best of both worlds: the instant processing and security of payments of cryptocurrencies and the volatility-free stable valuations of fiat currencies. But how do stablecoins maintain their stability in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in the backing of reserves. For every stablecoin that's issued, there's an equivalent amount held in reserve. This could be in the form of fiat currency, like the good old dollar or euro, commodities such as gold or silver, or even other cryptocurrencies. Imagine it like a safety net. If the crypto market takes a wild turn, the value of the stablecoin remains unaffected because it's pegged to these reserves. It's like having your cake and eating it too. You get to participate in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies without the roller coaster ride of value fluctuations. This backing is what gives users confidence in the stablecoin's value. It's a kind of assurance, a promise that your digital asset will hold its value, come what may. Therefore, stablecoins offer the security of knowing that your digital assets have a stable value. Now that we understand what stablecoins are and how they work, why are they important? Well, let's dive right in. Picture a frantic marketplace, prices bobbing up and down like a buoy in a storm. You'd want somewhere safe to store your assets, right? That's where stablecoins come in. They serve as a safe haven amidst volatile market conditions, allowing you to store your assets without the fear of sudden price drops. But that's not all. Think of the effort it takes to convert between fiat and cryptocurrencies. Stablecoins simplify transactions by eliminating this need. And here's the kicker. For those hesitant to step into the world of cryptocurrencies due to their infamous volatility, stablecoins offer a less volatile option. They can help in the wider adoption of cryptocurrencies, making them more accessible to the masses. In a nutshell, stablecoins are the bridge between the traditional financial world and the innovative world of cryptocurrencies, offering stability in a volatile market.